Hi YouTube! So, I'm a new person in YouTube. And I'm going to show you this slime my cousin made.
Hey! So go add me on Unicorn Time 80. That's where I get.
Yeah. So this is really nice. I mean, she call it unicorn poop.
Yes.
And it's really nice because like the color it is, and there's all glitter in it.
Because I use pink glitter glue from Elmer's.
Also, she made a blue one.
It's a turquoise, turquoise, and it's this slime.
It's really nice.
I made it.
Maybe someday she could make butter slime.
Yeah, with clay, magic model clay.
This slime is really nice, so I'm going to show you guys how to use it. First, I'm going to do some slime poking.
I can't see it. Wait a second. Wait a second. Do it. Do it.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
Did you know that's not how you're supposed to do it?
Be quiet. I do it my own way. Now, the second thing is we're going to stretch it. Stretch. Close it up.
She don't know how to play with slime, okay?
Hey!
Look, let me show you.
You use that one. Oh, seriously, drop my phone.
It's not my phone. Stand. Okay, here. So, I'm going to just take a little piece. So, when you want to make crackle-lackles, that's what I call it, you're going to go over here, go like this. It's going to go like that. Wait, I need a bigger piece. Okay, here. So, for example. See that?
Wow. But the thing is, this was not right.
She don't really know how to play with slime, but that's how she plays with it. Oh, wait.
This slime it's my #1 fan. I'm going to get slime my own way. Someday. Okay? Someday.
She has one, but it's like downstairs.
But it's not ready. It's like sticky.
For her.
Wow. Yeah. This slime is really nice.
She likes it a lot. But I can't give it to her. Because
it's hers. Yeah. She'll make me one someday. Now, since I'm new, do you guys think my YouTube channel should be? What should it be called? Oh, Unicorn Poop Slime. That's what it's gonna be called.
But that's just one slime. It's what about you?
Wait a minute!
Unicorn Poop Time.
Hey, no. This. Next.
Where's E.T.?
She's right here.
Oh,
Come in. Come in. You're good.
Let me see what y'all doing.
This is not my slime, Mom. This is hers.
I didn't know you was
I'm
here.
doing a YouTube channel.
Oh.
I'm doing a YouTube channel here.
You're doing a YouTube?
She's putting it on.
It's gonna be my YouTube channel. I'm gonna make a YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah, I already worked for it.
And make
I'm making a YouTube channel.
yeah. This is my first YouTube channel.
Oh, you made it with all that?
With glue and
I told you to like.
With glue and what?
tied.
She got it. She got it in the Dollar Tree.
And then I put food coloring and I got this.
That's it? Just glue and tie?
Yeah, and you make slime.
and
But
food
it
coloring.
takes time.
Yeah, like
Let
why
me
can't
see,
you
let me
get that
touch it.
stuff for me? Like why can't you get that
Sometimes
stuff?
it's real sticky.
Yeah, Maureen.
It's real sticky
Oh,
at
my
first.
God.
It's real sticky at first because your hands are hot.
So
Jeez.
I hope
Just go like.
you guys like
No.
my YouTube channel.
What are
I hope you guys
doing?
liked my YouTube
Okay.
channel.
Like,
I will come back to you later. Bye. How do
now it's on your ring.
I turn the thing on?
¿Qué le echaste que
I'm called.
Sorry.
No. I'm going to be called. Oh, I got it. Emoji selfie.
Yo no sabía.
That's gonna be mine. Thanks for coming. Make sure you subscribe to Emoji Selfie. Make sure you subscribe. Bye. Bye.